Auto-dosing enables precise and reliable delivery of detergent with every wash. Automatic, accurate, safe, and precise dosages are delivered each and every time. If you're not sure what auto-dosing does or how it could help your business, then we've created this short video that will explain everything you need to know about our auto-dosing dispenser. Our commercial laundry detergent dispenser is an automatic dosing pump specially designed for commercial washing machines. We install the pump solution for your washers to meet the specific needs of your site based on water types, fabrics being laundered, and typical levels of soiling. The result is that once installed, you will get the optimum measure of detergent in every wash. And that means reduced waste and fewer blockages in your machines because accurate laundry auto-dosing gives your washing machine the amount of detergent it needs and not a drop more. It also enables easier management of stock levels and reduces costs by removing the wastage that can come from user error or spillages. And it's also safer for staff, instantly removing the need to manually handle or pour potentially hazardous substances. In short, auto-dosing makes life easier. The expertly calibrated automatic chemical dosing, auto-dosing laundry detergent gives you the certainty of knowing that the right amount of laundry liquid will be dispensed every time. No more and no less than is needed for the best quality wash. For more information, get in touch with one of our experts today. Thanks for watching.